I'm going to be spinning this air compressor. I don't know why I did that. But to spin my fidget spinner right here, since I thought I might as well attach it to a bunch of skewers because it broke pretty much and it doesn't work with the caps. So I guess I'm just going to use it. And I'm going to do it in 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? Can I touch it now?
Keep it away.
But
Keep it in your face though.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
And oh wait, it's not even on. I mean, it's not. No, I mean, it's on. Here, just aim it towards the fidget spinner. Here, just aim it towards the fidget. Tell me when it's on the fidget spinner.
It's on there.
Like 1,000 miles per hour. Here. Go again.
Hit it. With your palm.
Alright, versus hand. Is it getting faster?
Almost out of air.
Alright, well. Ow!